Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is Makhana Bhel or Foxnut salad. Makhana, also known as foxnuts or lotus seeds, are rich in calcium and protein. They are a cure for diarrhea, are rich in flavonoids, antioxidants, have anti-inflammatory properties, and also help in slowing down the aging process. They also help in weight loss. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to this healthy recipe. Heat a pan. To make it more healthier, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. Now add half cup of peanuts. Roast the peanuts till they turn golden brown in color. Peanuts are a good source of healthy fat, protein and fiber. They are also rich in potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B. Once they are done, move them onto a plate. Next, add raw foxnuts or makhana. Slightly toast them till they turn golden in color and crispy. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix well. To check whether the foxnuts are done or not, take one as shown in this video and press gently. They should break quickly. I mean, the texture should have become crispy and crunchy. So the foxnuts are done. Let's add the roasted peanuts. Now for the salad part, add 1 cup finely chopped tomatoes, 1 cup finely chopped capsicum or bell peppers, 1 cup finely chopped red onion, few walnuts. This is optional. Walnuts are high in antioxidants and are good for your brain health. Next, 1 teaspoon flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. They help to reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Next, add finely chopped coriander leaves. Coriander leaves not only add a good flavor to your salad but are also rich in folate, vitamin C and beta carotene, which are good for your hair and skin. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Please note that once you add lemon juice and other salad vegetables to foxnuts, consume them immediately or else they will turn soggy. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder. This is optional. Next, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. This is just to balance all the flavors. Mix everything well. So let's transfer the salad into a bowl. You can also keep the salad vegetables and foxnuts or the roasted nuts separately and mix them whenever you feel like having it. Hope you liked this healthy recipe. Do include it in your weight loss journey. Please do not forget to share and subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.